Chapter 3. Accounting Equation and Accounting Classification. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn the first subtopic of this chapter, which is the elements of financial statements. Learning objective. At the end of this video, you should be able to identify the elements of financial statements. Particularly, the elements of statement of financial position and statement of profit or loss. What is financial statement? Financial statement is actually a structured reports to show a business's financial activities. Usually, financial statement is prepared on a regular basis. It can be monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or yearly basis. It depends on the company or business. Financial statement also provides overall picture of a business health and wealth. In other words, to show the financial position as well as the performance of the business at the particular point in time. Now, let's look at the components of financial statements. There are 5 components of complete set of financial statements. The first one is statement of profit and loss. Second, statement of financial position. Third, statement of changes in equity. Fourth, statement of cash flows. And the last one, notes to the accounts. However, in your syllabus we only focus on the elements of first and second statements, which are the statement of profit and loss and statement of financial position. The first statement is statement of financial position. This statement consists of 3 elements, namely, assets, owner's equity, and liabilities. Whereas, the statement of profit or loss contains 2 elements, which are revenues and expenses. Statement of financial position. The purpose of this statement is to shows the financial position of the business at the particular point in time. First, financial position means disclosing or showing the total amount of anything of value, i.e. assets that owned by the business. Second, to shows the amount of contributions from the owner or owners to the business. In other words, shows the total investment of the owner or owners to the business. And also to shows the borrowings or debts from outside parties in addition to finance business operations. Next, we will look at the format of statement of financial position. This is the format of statement of financial position. In this statement, the name of the business must be stated on top of the statement, including the title of the statement. Statement of financial position as at December 31, 2019, for example. As mentioned earlier, the first elements of this statement is assets, whereby the total of assets must equal with the total amount of owner's equity and liabilities. Therefore, the equation from the statement of financial position is assets equal to owner's equity plus liabilities. The second statement, statement of profit or loss. The purpose of this statement is to shows the financial performance of the business during a certain period. Well, a business is said to perform well if its total revenues more than total expenses, means this business is making a profit. On the other hand, poor performance if its total revenues is less than its total expenses, that means a business suffer loss. Next, we will look at the format of statement of profit or loss. This is the format of this statement. Same as the first statement, the name of the business must be stated on top of the statement, including the title of the statement. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended December 31, 2019, for example. As mentioned earlier, this statement only consists of revenues and expenses. Therefore, the main source of income of the business, which is sales, need to minus with cost of goods sold. The cost of goods sold, or known as COGS, also referred to as the cost of sales or cost of services, is how much it costs to produce your products or services. COGS include direct material and direct labor expenses that go into the production of each good or service that is sold. Sales minus COGS, we will get the gross profit. After we get the gross profit, we need to plus with other incomes or other revenues. Then, minus with other expenses in order to get net profit or loss. Therefore, the simple equation to calculate the profit or loss is revenues minus expenses.